Greetings Diecast Racing fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage for this Box of Joy number 5, which is actually a double header. We have two boxes today from two different people that I've been building up over a period of time. One is quite low, the other one is about half full, so it's going to equate to about one standard Box of Joy. I hope you're enjoying this content. Please drop me something down in the comments section. Please check that you have subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to put the notification bell on because sometimes YouTube does unsubscribe people, and I would hate to lose people when they want to follow the content and they're enjoying the content. If you like this, say something in the comments section. Let me know what you think, and let's get down to what we have in the boxes today. Right, everything is very well packaged and packed. We have got some carded and we have some loose. What I'm going to do is pull all of the packing out, get all of the loose out on the piece of green, and then we'll go through the loose and then we'll go through the carded. Right, we've got a lot to get through, so I'm going to try and get through this as fast as possible. You can see here the two different packing styles of the two different people that have sent me stuff. This is one that you're more familiar with. This guy haven't had me send stuff in a while. So I've got a pair of scissors out to help me get an open to that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open these off camera and then talk to you about it because that'll be faster. And then we have a lot of carded to get through. So let's get on to the first four. And first up, we have this gorgeous Ford Anglia, the police livery in the blue. This one does have the opening bonnet. I really love this. We may see this getting scheduled for the Flying Fenman if we ever get back to doing A11 Outlaws, because the Flying Fenman is a retired police officer. So that's the first one. Again, bought for the colour, this one. This one's a Matchbox. Again, that gorgeous blue colour. And this one is a Corvette Stingray. These ones are all bought for colour. Look at that green. Malibu. The decals, the tampos, metal upper, apart from the plastic back, the white walls. I mean, I hope this runs well, but that is stunning. And this Ford Bronco, which may or may not be a treasure hunt, I don't know, because of the paint scheme, but that is again absolutely gorgeous. You may see this in the rally comp. This may go straight into Sharky's personal collection. Could open these 5 next. Right, so Jaguar Corgi police car, because I am going to do a police car race, another one, which will be interesting. Last time I think it was Hikari who won it in the Skyline, but yes, Jaguar police car Corgi one. I'm also going to do a series of drag car ones, hence why I'm picking this one up. This is a 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock on black walls. Absolutely gorgeous, metal upper, metal lower. Appears to run really well. So there's that. And then this one could go into 2 series because it's a Mustang drag car. Because you'll see coming through the rest of today that I am collecting cars for a Mustang competition. Hence this one, which looks stunning. I don't know whether these are FTEs or not. I can't really read what it says on those. It's 69 Mustang, 65 Mustang, but yeah. I love the look of that. That looks stunning. So we're going to have a lot of Mustangs, and you're going to see a lot of them today, including this Eleanor. Which, yeah, I just had to pick up to go with that. Right, going to do these in 2 batches. Going to do these 3 and then we'll do those 4. Keen-eyed fans of the channel will have seen that over a little while I have been collecting Chevys. 55, 57, 59. So this is a nice red Bel Air, which might feature in red car versus blue car. But I'm also going to do a 50s Chevy race. You never know. We might even get Mike Finnegan signed up to race with a blasphemy type gasser. That's gorgeous. There again, he'd probably crash out in round 1, the way that he's been having luck with blasphemy recently. So this one is another one of those, but a different year. Shorter, bigger rear end. Love it. Okay, onto those last 4 of the loose. These last 4 are all the same cast, but different versions. And it is my favourite car, the Shelby AC Cobra. Metal upper, metal lower. I collect these, I pick up as many of these as I can. And there will be a Shelby Cobra race at some point, and there may also be a Shelby race at some point. So put those at the back. This one's on black walls, I think. One of the earlier ones. Bonnet opens a lot better. My favourite cast. Now these 2 I don't have in the collection already. The all black murdered out one. It's got a plastic base, so it's a later one. And this one on black walls with the red stripe, with the blue, which will be my personal, or Sharky's personal daily driver. You can also see the tampos there. I need to work out which one this is. I may have one in packaging that may be the same as this, but I definitely don't have a loose one. So yeah, how gorgeous is that? Right, moving on. I told you that there's going to be a load of Mustangs. So 2005 Ford Mustang. Now these 2 look very similar. This is a silver version of the 84 Mustang SVO, and this is the 92 Mustang. I don't think any of these are treasure hunts. There is a load of treasure hunts to come up later. And there is the purple version of the SVO. Slide those into there. On to 2 fastbacks, 265 fastbacks. Look at the colour scheme on that. I need to look into that colour scheme, but that is really, really nice. And then the classic red on the Mustang 2+2 fastback. Hopefully they won't crash. I've got 2 baller, the black and the white, the 2015 Mustang GT. I'm also a fan of Team RTR and Formula Drift. That may come in later. There's those 2. Because custom 18 Ford Mustang GT, we've got both the black and the red Formula Drift version, and then we've got the spoiler alert one with the mismatched wheels that looks really nice as well. So that's the Mustangs. Right, just over 9 minutes, so I'm going to crack on with this. Red version of the Ford Sierra Cosworth. Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution, which should be for the rally racing, the off-road racing, when I get around to building that. And then I am planning on doing circle track racing. So I know it is a Pikes Peak Tacoma, but it's very similar to the circle track trucks. 35 years, so it's 2003 one, so that's very nice and different. Oh, Chevy Camaro concept on FTEs, so that will be quick at some point, because I might do a Camaro race. Who knows, we might do Mustangs versus Camaros, that'd be interesting. And a first edition Morris van. We've got a few of those we've been picking up. And the finishing of the standard cars, we have got the 68 El Camino with the engine in the back of it on the Hot Wheels off-road, and we have the Ultra Hut 71 Chevy Camino. The next 2, 4, 6, probably 12 are all treasure hunts, which I picked up to be prizes in competitions in the future. So we've got a treasure hunt Ford Galaxy. It's really nice. A treasure hunt Dodge Charger SRT8 in the rescue colour scheme. This one's a long card, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So it's the 68 Pontiac GTO. How often do we see stuff like that these days on the bottom of Hot Wheels? We don't, but that blue and yellow is absolutely stunning. Slide that under those. For the police race, potentially as a prize, Sheriff's Department Hot Wheels Rescue, Hot Wheels Pursuit. So it's not a real car, but you know, it's police liveried, and it is a treasure hunt. Potentially for one of the off-road competitions, we have got a 87 Dodge D100 from the Hot Wheels Daredevils. Again, it's a treasure hunt. Again, absolutely gorgeous. Let's stack those on top of these to make some space. Only picked this up because it's a treasure hunt. Not my usual sort of thing, but it's very nice. Surf Crate. Treasure hunt. Pink, very interesting. Could be interesting depending on what competition I use that for. We may have a female driver that may want it for A11 Outlaws. We will see. Again, with the off-roads, we have got a relatively recent one. Dune Crusher, Hot Wheels Daredevils. One of these did really well in the teams competition last year, year before. I've been looking for one of these for a while, since Woolside had one as their trackside thingy. It's a treasure hunt. It's a Chevy Silverado in that green colour. Really like that. 4 to go. Again, not something I normally pick up. It's the Night Burner, tool in one. Treasure hunt. Now, this may well get put in for the prize for the NASCAR racing, circle tracker, and it's a treasure hunt. So again, two to go. One of which I've already had, but this is a long card version. I have got one of these already, Duck and Roll. The gold one, the treasure hunt one of Ryo's Rides. Street Beast long card. haven't had one of these treasure hunts, but look at that stunning Fandango. Again, treasure hunt, Hot Wheels art cars, love it. Yep, there's a reason I move stuff around and why the Cobras are in the centre of the screen, because I have 3 more. I have got all of these already, but just adding them to my collection so that then I have got stuff to swap with other collectors. This one's got some damage on the card where the label's been removed. We've got the more modern one. This is not the treasure hunt version. I think there's a treasure hunt, or is it a super treasure hunt version of this one in Spectra Flame. I don't think this is this cast or this version, but this is not the treasure hunt version. And one of the older ones, I've got a couple of these. Really love the F16 on here. Now onto the 3 last special cards. So I already have one of these in my collection, but I picked this up prior to him winning the 2023 Formula Drift Championship. But there it is, the 2018 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5 of Chelsea Denofa, the championship winning car in which he has this year won Formula Drift. I do have the 2020 Formula Drift Championship winning car of his teammate Vaughan Gittin Jr. I do have Adam LZ's car. I'm hoping that they're going to bring one out for James Dean next year, and also for the new colour scheme that Vaughan is using. This may end up as the prize for the Mustang competition, or I may just hang on to a second one because they're going to get hard to come by, and I think the price on these are going to go through the roof. Picked up another premium Vulcan, which I've already got one open round the track, because obviously we are Vulcan Raceway. Those 2, and then this last one picked up again as a potential prize because it's a Johnny Lightning, but it is a Kiss Gene Simmons NASCAR. It's a bit battered. Racing Dreams, absolutely stunning. But yes, that may be a NASCAR prize. Right, that's everything unboxed. I'm going to get the camera moved and then I'm going to go over stuff so that we can do a quick recap at the end. Right, there we go, everything laid out. 52 cars in total, 16 are loose, 36 are carded. At least 12 are treasure hunts, the 12 carded ones, which are over this side here. Because there may be some of these that are treasure hunts, I haven't checked into them yet. We've got 7 Shelby AC Cobras, which these 2 are special ones. We've got 15 Mustangs, including Chelsea Denofa's Formula Drift 2023 championship winning car. We've got the Johnny Lightning, Gene Simmons one. I hope you've enjoyed these unboxing. I hope you enjoyed looking at the collection. If there's anything of particular interest to you, drop it in the comment section. Put me something in the comment section. What do you like? What don't you like? It's very important to me and it helps the channel. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll catch you all again next time.